I think I am audible now. You can see the screen. I think the screen is also visible. Okay. In earlier video, I explained about how you can draw the table and then how you can convert the table into different types of chart. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what are other things you can do with tables and charts. Okay. So one by one, topic wise, means first of all I will tell you what I'm going to do, and then after I will perform practically. I will show you how we can do. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see on the screen that here I open this MS Excel, and then here it is blank, so that I have already saved somewhere. So now this is it. So I saved this in the name of Soria. Okay, so now let this open. So now this is it. Okay, so this is the chart which we prepared in the last video, and the table also. Here we have the table. So other things we are going to perform on this. Okay, so what are the other things which we can perform? Then the next head is designing the chart type. Okay, designing the chart type. So how to do that? Designing chart type. So for that, what you have to do, there it is given, uh, simply you have to double click on chart. So what do you have to double click on chart? Okay, if you double click on the chart, then you can see at the top you will get so many options. Okay, so, so out of those options, so now you can see they are given change chart type. You can say you from here chart style given, so you can change it. Okay, so here options are also given here like this, and here we have the change chart type. Okay, so now in the right hand side we have chart type. That's what I'm going to explain. So if you click on the chart types, in earlier videos I have already explained that what are these different chart types. Okay, so changing, in this video I will explain changing the layout of a chart. Okay, layout of a chart, how we can change the layout of the chart. So first thing is that here I have selected this chart by double clicking. Then after we have to go to layout. So now you have to find out where it is given somewhere, uh, chart layout. So find out at the top. At the top you can see, is there anything written like that, layout? So find out where it is. Okay, here we have, so layout. Okay, change the overall layout of the chart. So in the left hand side, left top corner, this is present. So there if we click, so now you see if I click there, then I get so many different types of layout. Okay, so different types of layout means in different format we can change. So now you can see here, if I select this first one, then now you can see there the title of the chart, just like title of the chart, here it is price comparison chart. It comes at the top, and in the right hand side it will come uh, this price comparison, means whatever given along x-axis and y-axis, so here given will come. Okay, so here now in the price comparison chart, price means of blue color, so blue it is for this 2002, and this I think it is orange, so it is for 2012. Okay, and now you can see again, if I want to change the chart layout, then you see what is the change. So now you can see what happened, whatever it was in the right hand side, it came at the top. Okay, so now again go, now at the left top corner you see quick layout given here. In this is MS Excel 2019. Maybe you people or someone is using 2007 or 2010 or 13, so I'm using right now 2019. Means a little bit of variation you will get but approximately similar functionality you will get in each and every one. So, okay, whatever I am explaining, so these all things you will be able to find out. Okay, so now other, if we want, now you can see, now in the back it came you know what, lines in the background of this chart. Then you again, if I want, then now you select, see, now again changed. Again if I select this, now you can see what happened here. So here with this chart, the table also it comes. So now you can see what is written here in this layout 5. Okay, so in quick layout, if you go to layout 5, so there it is written, so the following chart elements. So what are the elements? So whatever elements are there in the chart, so those elements also it will come there. Okay, so here first given shows the following chart for chart title. So chart title given, so now you can see this is chart title. Chart title here given a price comparison chart. Then the second thing it comes the data table. So data table, now this is data table at the bottom, this is data table. Then the third information which we get, now you see, third is vertical axis title, vertical axis title. So here you can see vertical axis title. So here you can change the title, means whatever you want to write you can write here. Okay, so for example I am writing here values. if, if I write values, first of all I will have to select that. So now value came, so I have written values. Okay, so I can move this here also, and I can here, now you see, so this is along x-axis. Okay, x-axis title you got, sorry, y-axis, sorry, vertical title, axis title you got, and then vertical axis. So vertical axis here is also given. Now you see this is vertical axis. We have 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and then after comes major grid lines. Major grid lines, you can see what are these major grid lines. So whatever horizontal lines you are seeing now, so these are grid lines. Okay, major grid lines, why written? Because these lines are showing major values, major value just like 0, 20, 40. So these lines are showing values 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Okay, if I move at the yes, so that's it. So I can move this table here at the top also, so that it will be better, because at the bottom maybe I will come, means my video it is at the bottom right corner, so that's why. So this is the way, this is quick layout, different layout we can get from here. So this layout I think it looks better, so that's why I'm leaving this as it is. And then after changing the layout of a chart, then the next point what is I'm going to cover, this is changing the layout of a chart, that's what I explained now. And then after it is now axis title I explained, data chart title I have already explained. Okay, so data table, so now data table I have already explained. And now next thing it is shape, fill, outline and effects. Okay, shape, fill, outline and effect. So what are these things? So that's what I'm going to explain you. So you can change the background of this table also. So how you can change the background? So in this, if you have to change, then in that case this option here, this option allows you to fill desired color to your chart. okay, desired color. So that's what here it is. Now how you can do that? So again you have to select this. If you select, then after you will have to hmm, if you select that, then data table completed, then yes, here it is you have. So that is the thing. So at the top you can see when we double click on this table, then that is it. And then after here you will see the change color. Okay, so change color means you can change the colors here of the table. Okay, means these vertical columns you can change, because right now it is about the column. Okay, and if you want to change the background, okay, so how you can change the background? So for changing the background, so what you have to do, you have to select this table, or you can select the table also, and after selecting this table, here you can fill the color. Okay, color means now you can see, you can change the background color of this table. Whole table you can select, means whatever it is you can select, and then you can change the color of, you know, fonts also. Now you can see all became red color. Okay, so this is, you know, this such type of thing you can perform on this table also. And then you see what are the other options we can get here. Okay, if I select this, then here you get so many options. So you can select, then after if you go to format, so now you can see here in this format you will get shape outline. Okay, fill, save fill. So if I click, now you can see the background color, it became yellow. Okay, in the format you will get these options. Now if you select this, then you will get red. So if you select this, then you will get this. Means any one you can select. For example, I'm going to select this. Okay, or I can select this. Okay, I'm selecting this. Okay, now you can see here I selected that, so it means the background, so color it became that. Now again go to the format at the top middle, you can see here fill outlines. So fill outline means also again you will get the option, so many option. Outline means the border line you will get. Okay, so if, for example, if I select red color, so now you can see here, so outline, so here outline means the border of this chart became red. Okay, so again further, if you want to change anything in this chart, then in that case you will have to double click. Okay, simply double click this whole chart, and then you go to the format, and then there you can do perform so many action. So this was about chart, background color, outline effects. Then after, what are the other things? Yes, so that, so I will show you some other points from my side. So what are different more things which you can do on this. So here shape outline, that's I already explained. And then next here given shape effect. So shape effect, now you can see here different shape effect you can get for the outline. Okay, now you can see like this or like this. So shape effects can also we can change, means how it is going to look like. If sometimes you can make that it is coming out. Okay, and if I want to change for this, okay, then that for that also we can change those. Now you can see, if I select, now you can see the grid lines, I selected the grid lines, so that's why whatever I am doing here, so that is going to affect the grid lines only first. Okay, so now you can see these all things are about So in the same way, if I select this, okay, so here I selected this orange column. So here if I go to this effect, then in that case again I can do just like shading. So in the background you will get shade according to this different shape styles. You will get different things here like this. Okay, now which one it is better? So I think this one it is going to look a little bit okay, this. Okay, so now you can see in the back side it looks a little bit shady. Okay, there is a shade in the back side of this, these all orange columns. Okay, in the same way if you want to do anything with this these all blue columns, then again you can do for the effects also. Okay, 3D rotation also you can do. So how 3D rotation, just like here now you can see these are going to rotate. If these are 3D, then in that case will change accordingly. Okay, and if it is 2D, then in that case it will work. So whenever these all columns are 3D, then you can make 3D rotation, something like that. And since this is 2D, so that's why that effect may not work. So but if it is 2D, then you can choose that. So since it is 2D, it's two dimensional, so that's why I can select. Okay, and other options, so grow given. So grow means you can change like that. Now you can see here what happened. Whatever columns I selected, so for selecting those columns, what you have to do, you have to double click on those columns. Okay, means any one of those columns, if you double click, then you will get such option. Okay, so now what are other more things present? Then shadow you got, soft edge, means so many options you can try. Now you can see here so many options I'm able to get. So in the same way, if you try, then you will also be able to perform so many things about this. So about the format I explained, and if you want to change anything in the, you know what the art means, word style, then you can also change. Okay, for changing the word style, what do you have to do? Simply if change. Now you can see I selected this one title, and accordingly I can change anything, means I can do. You see this is good. If I want to change like that, now I can do. Okay, there is no restriction. Okay, you can do just like here also. If you want to, now you can see I can change the effect we can add here, and something more we can also do. Okay, and here you can see reflection also you can add reflection like that in the back side or at the bottom. Now you see, now you see how it looks like. It look great, but yet again if I want to change anything to this, then what I can do, simply I will go here and then I can select any one of these. Okay, so I selected this. At the top means whatever, now there you can see word art style. So I was doing here these all things about art style. So whatever changes you have to make. Now again if I want to change this, so simply double click here. So since this is a table, so now you can change. Okay, now you can see the whole table will change. But if I want to change in the format, then you will see that the table, now you can see color and the width, whatever I am choosing accordingly, uh, the table cell will change. You see, for example, I took this orange. Now you can see I changed the color of these cells of table. Okay, in the same, so these all things we can perform in chart. Okay, then thank you all. So I think this is sufficient for this video. In another video I will explain some more things about MS Excel. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload such informative videos, then you people get notification, and you all will get benefit from these videos. Okay, I hope so. Thank you. Keep be healthy and keep smiling. Thank you.